This is the S&P 500 SPY ETF SPY one-day reading for June 18th, 2025. It's currently June 9th, 2025, 10:17 p.m. Eastern Time. SPY at the time of this reading is $599.68 USD. And the shuffle video for the June 18th reading was created on May 25th, 2025 at 8:32 p.m. Eastern Time. That's this video playing for you now. So the overall, what we're going to cover in this video will be the overall trend direction and chart behavior for the day. We're going to give you timing of the day's highs, high, lowest low, and best trade opportunities. We're also going to give you the hour by hour sequence of chart events. It's important to remember, guys, that most readings, the timing will be on point to the hour, but there will be cases where you need to give the timing plus or minus an hour or two of wiggle room. And that's because not each card's energy going left to right across the screen is going to line up perfectly with 1 hour of time. It's the sequence of chart events that remains accurate nonetheless. And for that reason, I do not recommend trading this information alone. You must have access to the early access subscription with the live Discord trade alerts and live trading view chart links. If you expect to be consistently profitable, you must have those services, guys. And I'll show you how to get that stuff at the end of the video. So on the 18th, we've got an important peak that forms. Usually you'll see the abundance card in two situations in the theme card. It'll either be like a new high, three situations, a new high, a new all-time high, or it's a new high after making lows. So in this case, that's probably what it is, a new high after making lows, and it'll form when we break through key resistance. We stay above it briefly, break back down through it shortly thereafter. Behavior around the highest high. The high and the low for the day will be within close time proximity to each other within a matter of a couple of hours or the same hour even. And the Magus card indicating a significant trade opportunity at the high for the day. That'll definitely become a lot more clear in real time, and I'll be able to advise in Discord with much more help as to what the Magus card move looks like. But it's usually a pretty big move in favor of whatever the trade is. And my sense is that because we've got this Ace of Cups in the morning, it's probably a bullish trade, a big move into the high, probably out of lows. Yeah, big move into the high, out of lows. Behavior around the lowest low for the day. We have a important resistance level highlighted that we failed to break through many times before and or will fail to break through many times in the future. And then a nullified fool card indicating a significant opportunity that'll stand out amongst other one-day charts. But being that it's nullified, it's a really, really tricky card to read nullified. It probably means there's like a gap of some kind or some sort of improbable move that we weren't expecting. In the pre-market, we've got a sideways rotation, a big move higher, then more sideways rotation at a higher price level, and likely we have a high for the day, at least thus far in the pre-market. We get into erratic behavior right around the open, back and forth through the same price level. In the midst of that, we usually revisit an opportunity. It looks like it could be a trough in this case. Usually it's a crest, but it looks like it could be a trough because in the first half hour we have a decline there that offers opportunity to open up a long position or close short position depending on your situation. But I think for a day trade, we'd want to open up a long position here. We get into price swings. Usually they're bullish price swings, but not always. There's price swings between roughly 10 and 11. And then it looks like we've got a high for the day taking place roughly between 11 and 12, maybe again between 12 and 1. So likely we have this huge move that takes place, and we have a rally through key resistance. And we stay above that resistance, that price level briefly, and then break back down through it shortly thereafter with the full retracement before 12 o'clock or around the 12 o'clock hour. Looks like we might have two triangular moves, like break through resistance, stay above it briefly, break back down, and then another big move to the upside and a full retracement between 12 and 1 maybe. Between 1 and 2, a notable move to the upside, taking us into an overbought crest or peak between roughly 2 and 3 that we sell off from through multiple support levels into another trough in the last hour. Pretty bearish in the last hour and through the close. But what I would likely do is open up that long position in the morning and close that long position after the price swings turn into a high midday. And then we've got Juneteenth on the 19th. Markets are closed in observance of Juneteenth. And that's pretty much SPY for the 18th, my friends. If you're interested in actually trading this information and making money consistently, a lot of you viewers for the first time, it's not easy, guys, period, but it's a hell of a lot easier when you've got this ESO meta-analysis info and you've got me, somebody who was a Wall Street broker back in 2007, and I've been day trading and swing trading and long-term trading since the year 2000. That's 26 years of development of this system, my friends. So you go to our website, Tarot for Traders, hover over order now, click on subscriptions. Early access subscription gets you the earliest access to any of our public posts. You click here to subscribe. $150 a month gets you the earliest access to any of our public posts that you can get. They all come out first on our Discord early access videos links channel. You get the live day trade alerts as part of the live Discord day trade alerts. You get the chart drawings where we actually draw entries and exits, right? Like entry, exit, entry. This was a really solid day. And you get an easy place to get all of our SPY videos are posted here as well. So a ton of stuff, guys. And really, that's the game-changing service is the Discord trade alerts and TradingView chart links. Much appreciation, everybody that goes and does that. $150, you make that back in one trade. We're doing trades every single day, just about. Rarely do we not do a trade. But with that said, guys, much love and appreciation. Blessings to all my angel investors following that rule of karma. I will see you guys on the next one.